evening, friends. We are heading to Ogden, Utah, to pick up a Peterbilt 389, yeller Peterbilt 389. We're hauling it on down south. So that's where we headed, man. See you there. We'll see you there.
See it, but I had to pull this truck out from under a trailer so the owner could hook up another truck to it because he's got to deliver the load. So now I'm rear towing it because he doesn't want the drive shaft pulled, which is fine by me. So let's get it hooked up. U-bolt cups. Hook right to the U-bolts. Easy enough. Getting pretty close. Just gotta come over. Too far. There we go. Now we'll chain up that axle. Okay.
And I'll have you park it right in front of their door on the house. Wes'll down there with you.
Okay.
And then I'll have my daughter over here so I can just get you paid up.
Perfect. That works for me.
Every day I do that. That's all right.
As long as they're making you money. So put that over that. Get off of there. Thank you. Let's see. Is this gonna be able to come around? It doesn't take a lot of pressure to hold these up, but
Just throw that chain off at the other back side of that.
right here. Put this end in right up here.
Got it?
Yes, sir, we got her. All right, she's mine now. It's off of all the wires on this, right?
Yeah, I'm just double checking right here. Oh, whoops.
It's fine. This is fine because I already have it hooked.
Okay.
So as long as
Yeah,
it's off
no
the wires,
ABS there. Good.
perfect. Greasy too. All right. Then we'll do axle straps, safety chains.
climb up under there and grab it?
No, we should be all right. Just gotta feed it through from up here because my arms ain't long enough. Right there. Just need drag lights. Woo! Almost lost that. Okay. There we go. And then alrighty, I'm gonna need y'all to watch this for me, is that okay? I've got grease everywhere. I hate playing around fifth wheel plates. Friends and family, we made it to Payson with the big rig, and we're gonna put it where he needs it, which is in front of the bay door. And this, and this, and that, and this, and that, and this, and that, and this, and that, and this.
Now we go to these. Oh. Now, hang up our safety chains. Don't let me forget about my chain, because I am going to need my chain. Still tight. Which means the bag's filled up with air, which is fine. Oh, that's right. We'll just supplement it. I need you. Hello. Still tight. I mean, eventually she'll level out. Where there she goes. We got her! Just like that. There we go.
Good luck trying to stay clear of everything.
What's that?
Good luck trying to stay clear of everything.
Yeah. Back up. A little more. All set. Here. All right.
Like a rock.
Alrighty then. Just like that.
Hello. So we're gonna do the outro now. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Alright. If you like the video, like it. If you don't like it, don't like it. I don't care. But if you like this kind of stuff, subscribe. It's free. Why not? Subscribing is free to the Towing and Stuff YouTube channel. It helps me out. Leave a comment.